morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, August 24th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledge to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment. Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton it is going to be nice and sunny with a high of 97 and a low of 77.
It's going to be pretty warm today. Today in history, in 1932, the first cross-country nonstop flight by a woman, Amelia Earhart.
In the headlines, first known rain at top of Greenland's ice sheet. On August 14th, 2021, it rained at the highest point of Greenland's ice sheet, which is the coldest part of the ice sheet. The place and a place where it has never rained seen before. It's another big weather change and seems to be connected to the climate change.
Today's fun fact is, hippos' closest living relatives are aquatic mammals, whales, dolphins, and porpoise.
Wow, I did not know that.
Right? It's cool.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Carter, what do you call an alligator detective?
I don't know what.
An investigator. That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Kayla.
I'm Carter. That's Larry and that's Fiona.
Until next time,
fly high, Falcons. Bump, 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 bump. See you next time.